red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, and black color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. One, two, three, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use green color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use yellow color. 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use brown color. 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22 and use black color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use red color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and last you draw 30. The red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, and black color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw 8 and use green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O and use blue color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use yellow color. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.